There's lots to get excited about on a Disney cruise, and onboard activities and port adventures are just some of those things. This video will show you how you can book those activities right on the web in your Disney account. You can also follow a similar process using the Disney Cruise Line app. Depending on your Castaway Club level, you'll be able to book these activities anywhere from 2.5 to 4 months before you set sail. You can find your exact dates in your Disney Cruise Line account, or your travel advisor will certainly let you know. Keep in mind, these activities open up at midnight Eastern Time, no matter where your cruise departs from. To get to your cruise, you'll want to go to the Disney Cruise Line website and then go to Already Booked and click on My Reservations. This will bring up your cruise details. As you can see, we actually have 3 staterooms who are traveling together, and they're all linked. Click on My Plans, and this will show you your itinerary for the entire cruise. I already have some onboard activities and port adventures already booked for our group, but I want to show you how I can add a couple of people who now want to join us at St. John Trunk Bay Beach. Once you get to the day in your itinerary that you want to add the activity, just click on Add Activity and choose which type of activity you want to add. This will bring up all the different activities that you could possibly book. As you can see, there are a lot of options. Once you get to the activity that you want to book, click Select and then check each of the members of your party that want to do that activity. As you can see, I could book for everybody in all 3 staterooms that are linked together. If there are openings, it'll have you select a time and then click Save. Now you can see that we have St. John Trunk Bay Beach Getaway booked for everybody in our party. That's it. Your activities are booked.